Good morning. Yeah, I put a pimple patch thing on this because I need it cleared up. Anyway, I know I've been wearing this for so long, but I promise I washed it yesterday. So, anyway, I only ever put it on after I shower. Happy Monday. July 10th. I got up, went to the bathroom, brushed my teeth, and I came back to bed. I did this braid last night and it stayed. Anyway, I had a weekend of not working out, and I'm gonna see how that recovery helps me into this week. So usually I do running Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays with strength training, plus I run a mile on Tuesdays and Thursdays. However, because Tuesdays and Thursdays are my work from home days, however, tomorrow is Tuesday and I have to go to the office for a training, so it's easier for me to do my runs on my office days because it's just 30 minutes. I just run for 30 minutes and I'm done. Whereas my strength training is a little bit longer because I strength train for 30 to 45 minutes and then I run for a mile. So that's about a whole hour right there. So with that said, today I'm gonna strength train, tomorrow I'll do my run. So just for this week I'll switch it up, and that's okay. So yeah, all that to say that later we're doing a workout. I don't know what yet. So while I lay here in bed, I'm gonna figure that out. And usually I like to get it out of the way like first thing in the morning, but I'm okay with doing it a little bit later today because I'm literally taking this in right now, just laying here. So I'll check in with you sometime later. Hola! I'm at the park, okay? I don't know if I'm gonna regret this, like a lot afterwards, but I plan to do my workout outside. It is, let's see, my car says it's 94 degrees. Obviously, maybe it's just hotter in here. I don't know. I'm sweating right now. But, yeah, I could really love this or really hate it. Let's do it. Got my water with me. I got my headphones. And then I brought my shoes for my run afterwards. So, I've played soccer in this kind of weather. I'll be fine. Alright, I'll check in with you later. Alright, I think I've chosen my spot. It's kind of secluded and far. Not that this park is busy at all, but I think I can work with this space. Keep my things here. Again, maybe I'm a little crazy, but I don't know. Happy Monday. I'm not done yet. Only halfway through. I'm gonna link this video that I'm following because I don't know if it's just the mixture of also it being outside, but wow. I'm pausing. There's two rounds, and I'm pausing in the second half, like before I start the second half, because I feel like I'm gonna throw up. So I'm gonna let my heart rate drop quite a bit, and then I'm gonna do round 2, and then I'll check in with you. Oh, and it's all standing too. I didn't want to do anything that wasn't standing because I'm all outside. So I have to pause again. Yeah, honestly, I felt like I was gonna throw up. We're gonna finish those 10 minutes, no matter how long it takes. I can't wait to shower. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'm gonna do my 30. I mean my mile, my jog. I don't know. I might just walk. Cause that was intense. Mile complete. I don't know if I'll ever do it again in this heat. Wow. Que freaking calor. Pero bueno. I need to go home and shower so bad. Well, we did change shirts. We're on, whoa. We're on the second hunt, round 2 of looking for a lamp. And then have to do some groceries, some cooking, and I'm looking forward to calling it an early night, getting in bed and finishing my book. I'm almost done with my audiobook, Yours Truly by Abby Jimenez. I strongly recommend it so far. Well, so far I'm almost done with it, and I loved it. I'm loving it. And I'm feeling tired. Of course I'm feeling tired because I spent like 2 hours outside in the blazing hot sun. So I definitely got a sunburn, and the sun just took all of my energy. But we have to do adult things, so I'll check in with you later. Unsuccessful again. Oh well.